Canada, you finally found us. Welcome to Gen Z Marketing. My name is Pran. I'm the CEO here. We're a full-service digital marketing firm based out of London, Ontario. So chances are you probably found us while searching for terms like SEO Canada or Canada SEO. Yes, we're using our own SEO strategy to rank across the nation. Any business in an established industry needs SEO. So what do I mean by that? Let's use a lawyer as an example, right? People know that they need lawyers for legal help. So they're on the search engines searching for legal help or lawyers online. Canadian businesses are no different. By the time this video ends, over 6 million Google searches have occurred. Here's a quick little fact. 88% or 81% of consumers and 77% of B2B customers research their products on the search engines or research their purchases on the search engines. What do I mean by that? Suppose you're selling a service for $500 an hour, right? People, when they spend that much money, are going to look for what does the service entail. They're going to look online, look at reviews, blah, blah, blah. So I think you get the idea. So why should you work with us? I don't want to toot our own horn, but we're one of Canada's best SEO agencies, ranking across Canada's top 25 cities like Toronto, Winnipeg, London, Ontario, Vancouver, you name it, right? Something no other marketing agency in this country has been able to do. So yes, we know how to do SEO. So if you have any questions, want to do some work together, I want to chat some hockey, click on that consultation on the top right corner and let's get into it. Cheers.